Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nico here, and in today's video, we're gonna be going to the first big car meet of the season. So everybody, if you can see outside, it is kind of wet, it is kind of gloomy, so turnout might not be the greatest. I mean, this has been getting a lot of hype. There's been like over 1,000 shares on social media for this opening season car meet, so I'm hoping it's still gonna be popping, even though the weather is not the greatest. At the moment right now, it is not raining, but it was a little bit earlier, and it's supposed to rain again in about an hour or so. Well, that will be the real telltale sign of who actually comes out or not. Everybody, if you can't see by the interior or even just hear it a little bit, we are in the SQ5 today. I actually was gonna bring the bike out, but like I said, the weather's being very unpredictable. It is spring in Ohio. One day it is 40 degrees and cold. The next day it is 75 and sunny. So yeah, everybody, so what I'm actually heading to right now, it's like a pre-meet. Basically, it's at this Sheets. We're gonna be meeting there, hang out for about an hour, and then we're gonna cruise from that to the actual main event, if you will. And I'm actually glad that the pre-meet is at a Sheets because one, I do need some gas, and two, I need some energy in me. I have been breaking my back doing yard work all day, so I really need something. I hate to admit it, but I just love driving this thing over the 340. I mean, nothing wrong with the 340 at all, but it was to the point where you build a car so much that you honestly hate driving it. You know what I mean? For daily driving or driving to a meet, etc. That was that car. This car, it's perfectly fun, being completely stock, and it's not like a chore to drive. Now, it doesn't mean I won't do anything to this car. I'm definitely gonna be doing stuff to this car, but it's one of those where, on the 340, I did a whole top mount single built transmission, you name it. So yeah, definitely not the case for this thing. But yeah, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and focus on driving, of course, and I will catch up with you guys when we get to the spot. You guys can see behind me it's starting to pull up for the cruise part, but it is windy as hell. Absolutely. Got me some Red Bull, not sponsored, but now it's gonna hang out for a bit until we actually leave and head towards the main meet. Can't really tell right now because there's normal traffic, if you will, right here, but behind there, got some cars parked up. To my left, there's some more cars parked up, so this lot's starting to get pretty packed up already just for the cruise alone. So I'm hoping the meet's actually going to be pretty sick. Really hard to see, but everybody's heading out now, so we're about to head on the cruise and head to the main event. Low-key, everyone got split up because of this damn traffic lights. So right now I'm behind a Supra. I got a Jetta GLI behind me. So it looks like it's going to be these, us three in this little section of the pack, bro. We are still 5 minutes or a mile away from the spot, and we are backed up onto the on-ramp. Yeah, I think it's gonna be popping. All right, so just parked up. You can see it's starting to fill up already, insanely. I mean, a lot of common traffic, but it is still, April. So the last clip you saw of WD Detailing's R8, I think, is so far the, nicest car I've seen so far. Starting to fill up a little bit more. Got a little C8 pulled up. And my fellow brother runs on the bike, so we're freaking revving. I caught up talking to some buddies, so I haven't really filmed that much, but really not much to see either. I mean, it is popping, but like I said, it's nothing crazy special. Got a slam Focus right here, though. That thing is wide on those wheels, bro. Nice M240, probably. Yeah, it's M240. All the bikes pulled up.
I went to the parking garage because that's where one of the listings was.
Yeah, it's kind of packed. I mean, there's more spots over there, I think, but yeah, I would say just go, once this line goes, go left all the way over. Yup. 4 Series clean though, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if you guys can hear me right now, dog. It is freaking popping.
Hey, I'm gonna need everybody to listen up. I need motherfuckers to understand, don't come in with that drama shit, alright? Straight up, come here having a good time.
You got a supercharged Z. Hell yeah. Like entire parking lot is full, bro. Like the Wendy's parking lot over here filled too. Or McDonald's, sorry. That's hard. Give it to matching. That one got like a matte PPF on it probably. I think it's nice. G82 and G80. All right, boys and girls, I don't know how well you can see me, but we are heading out. Wasn't really anything more spectacular, and plus a bunch of cops started showing up, and as you can see, the lights. So it was a good meet though, good first opening season. I mean, I knew there wasn't gonna be crazy anything much just because it is still April, weather's still kind of crappy, so hopefully more to come as the season goes on. But yeah, buddy, I'm gonna go put the camera down, I'm about to hop on the highway here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.